In November 2023, Futurism revealed that Sports Illustrated had been publishing product reviews under fake bylines. Drew Ortiz did not exist. His headshot was purchased from a synthetic image marketplace. Sora Tanaka did not exist either. The articles were, in the words of internal sources, absolutely AI-generated. Within days, Arena Group stock fell 27%. Within weeks, the license to publish the magazine was revoked. Within months, the newsroom was hollowed out. The technical cause was not artificial intelligence. The technical cause was the LLM wrapper, a thin software layer over a probabilistic model with no symbolic verification beneath it. If a brand builds on wrappers, it is building on sand. Advon Commerce called its system MEL. The architecture was simple. Keywords and product specifications go in, generated reviews come out. A human, paid pittance rates, pastes the result into a content management system. Inside MEL, the language model is a stochastic parrot. It does not store facts. It stores statistical relationships between tokens. When asked for a product review with an author bio, it invents an author, because in its training data, reviews come with bios. Drew Ortiz was not a lie to the model. Drew Ortiz was a successful pattern completion. State-of-the-art models hallucinate between 1.5 and 4.3% in general domains. In law, the rate climbs to 6.4%. The remedy is neuro-symbolic architecture, the linguistic fluency of a language model fused with the deterministic precision of a knowledge graph. Phase 1. The graph itself. Every fact lives as a triple, subject, predicate, object. Wilson AVP has certification, AVP official. Article 123, written by verified author. The ontology defines the rules. A product review must be connected to a verified author by the written by edge. If the verified author entity does not exist, the system returns null. It does not invent an author to fill the silence. Phase 2. Graph RG retrieval. The user query is passed for entities and intents. The graph is traversed in Cypher or Sparkle to fetch the relevant subgraph. Those structured facts are converted into a verified JSON context. The language model is constrained to synthesize only from that context. Phase 3. The multi-agent newsroom. A researcher agent has read access to the graph and to trusted APIs. A writer agent has no web access at all. It can only stylize the facts the researcher hands it. A critic agent extracts every claim from the draft and queries the graph to validate them. An orchestrator routes work between them: research, write, critique, refine, approve. Phase 4. The reflexion loop. The critic queries the graph for a claim. Wilson AVP is the official ball of the 2024 Olympics. The graph returns false. The critic rejects the draft. Every accepted sentence carries a hyperlink to the underlying graph node. The audit trail that Sports Illustrated could not produce, the engineered newsroom produces by construction. The numbers are specific. In the medical domain, neuro-symbolic systems have achieved 100% precision on clinical extraction, against 63 to 95% for standalone GPT-4. Graph RG on finance data delivered a 6% reduction in hallucination and an 80% decrease in token consumption, because the model no longer reads long, noisy documents. It consumes precise, verified triples. The self-refine reflexion loop improves complex task performance by over 20%. Against this, the wrapper outcomes are also specific. Arena Group stock plunged 27% in a single day after the Futurism report, having already lost over 80% of its value across the year. Authentic Brands Group revoked the license, citing a missed $3.75 million quarterly payment. The timing tells the rest. The SI union reported that a significant number, possibly all, of the staff were laid off. The journalists who fought as a union to maintain the standard of this storied publication were the ultimate victims of a strategy that sought to replace them with cheap algorithms. 2 architectures, 2 outcomes. The wrapper trusts the model. Its truth source is probabilistic. Its hallucination rate is 1.5 to 6.4%. Its authorship is synthetic. Its ending is scandal, stock drop, license revocation. The neuro-symbolic engine trusts the graph. Its truth source is deterministic. Its hallucination rate on grounded facts is below 0.1%. Its authors are traceable. Its operating standard is the NIST AI Risk Management Framework and ISO 42001. The boardroom takeaway is one line. If a company builds on LLM wrappers, it is building on sand. In a market where Drew Ortiz can be hallucinated into existence, the only currency that remains is verifiable truth. We build the engines that keep the byline real.